Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Habibullah. Let's get started and make a sidebar and then talk about this one. So the first we should open CMD command prompt. We create the Django project. At the first we should make a directory r. So make a Django project. Django project. Of this, so I should jump this Django project like this one. At the first we should take care of the Django project inside this directory. You can write down Django admin, search this one, start project by the name of a sidebar. And now we'll talk about this project. So that means we should make this project. It will take a few time to create this project. So we have got this project by the name sidebar. You can see right here. Search this one. Inside this one you can write in pip install Django. If you have installed, you do not need for a second time to install this one. If you have installed this one, you can download and install this Django. So we can install pip install and hit enter. Django, hit enter. So we'll install this directory. If we're going to make a virtual environment, we can install this virtual environment. For this one, we can install pip install inside this directory. So you should jump to inside this directory and open this with the text editor. Use usually set the code. It's up to you what kinds of code editor you're using. And so inside this directory I've got this project by the name sidebar, and create as a new application. Different types of application you can create inside the one project. So for creating a new application, we can write down Python manage.py. So start app. So we're going to make the main sidebar, the nav bar for sidebar. Just hit enter. So inside is inside our project we should register this application by the name of navbar. So put comma. So right here I've got this one. Just close this one, and we should wire up this application inside this path. Can write down path. So this one. So it's just this one as empty quotation, and then include can include this application by the name of navbar.urls. So we should include this one because we're going to register this application inside our project. So close this one, jump inside this new application. So at the first we should create a new file, urls.py, Django file, Python file urls.py. So right here I've got this one. You can copy this one because we just need for this. Inside the views.py we should define this page. We've got this inside the template. We can create a folder by the navbar. At the first we should make this HTML file by the base.html, and the second HTML file is create.html and list.html. So we will talk about these three HTML files. So this files would be so nice to create an HTML file. And inside this views, at the first we should create views file and define this three HTML file. At the first we should import this define, and we should define home.html because we just defined this base.html file by the name of home.html, and we can request this file by this parameter, and then we can return to this base.html file inside this navbar.html directory. So another file we will talk about and we should define inside the views.py. We have got this one by the name of create file, create.html, because we define this file inside the views file. So after requesting this file by this parameter, we can return to this HTML, this create.html. So we have got the second one by the name of request list file. So we have got this list.html file right here inside this navbar directory. So we can request this one and we can return by clicking on this object. We can return inside the browser inside this list.html file. Inside the URL at the first we should define this one. So inside the directory we can import this views.url. So at the first URLs we have got right here. We can path this one to home.html, because we have this home by the name of base.html file. We have got this right here. So we can return to this views.py at the first, and the second path which we have got this one by the name of create object. So we can add this one by the name of create.html file. And the second one we have got by the list, because we have got the list.html file right here. So inside this views.py we define this one, and inside the base.html at the first we should add this doc.html file right here, and we can add this title. So we have got this blog content, and we should jump to inside this create.html file. At the first we should extend this one. From inside this directory we can extend this base.html inside this create.html, and we can load this static file, and then we can add this, and we should make a blog title. For creating a blog title, we can write a blog and blog title. So we should define this blog title by the name of the title of this page by the name of create new page. So we can define this one inside. So we can add this create page inside this e tag element, h1 element. So and we can register this inside this blog content. So inside this list.html, these are the same title, and we can copy this one, and inside this list.html we can extend this base.html as well, and we can add this load static right here. We should register this blog title. Then blog title, we can define this blog title by the name of new list. So this is the list page. We can add this title inside this blog. So we should register this blog content inside the base.html file right here. So we can see this views.py right here, base.html and list. We should run this one, jump to inside this terminal, create page. If we add this one by the name of home page, we can add this title home page. So we have got this file by the name of list. Okay, it's the list page. So let's go ahead and make a sidebar for our application. So we should come back right here inside the sidebar. So inside the body.html file, at the first we should make a side nav. So we can write down side nav. So we've got this class by the side nav, and inside this side nav. So and we've got the second div by the name of main. So this class is main, and the ID can write on content, and this name is write down can write down content. So inside this div, the first should format this div. Got this classes, this attribute by the main, and we have got this content, and we have got this ID. So inside this title style right here, first we should design this one site nav. We can copy this one right here. So open this one. So we can select this head. We can select this head size 100%, and we can select as a width size. So it's width size around 80 pixel. So we can select its position. So its position is fixed, and we can select its Z index. So Z index 1, and top space we can select this top. So its top space we can select 0, and we've got left space, and we've got this as well. And we can select this background color. We can select this color. This color. Overflow should be heading, and padding from the top 5 pixel. So we've got the second one by the nav each tag element, because inside this we can add this tag element. We've got this tag element. So each ref is equal to, we should jump to home.html file. So we can write down inside this tag element home page. So we can copy this one, we can duplicate this one for second time. The second one is carried. We can add this title by the name of carried page. So we have got this one by the name of less than. We have got this by the name of less page. So we should format this one right here. So come down with dot site nav tag element. So we have got this format. We can select this padding space from the top left and right. So from the top 6 pixel and 8 pixel and 6 pixel and 16 pixel from the bottom. You can select this padding space, and text decoration we can select this text decoration as none. We can select this one. So we have got this site nav bar, and we can select this padding space, this from the top, from the left, and from the right, and from the bottom. So text decoration you can select all none, and font size you can select this pixel, and you can select this background color. This color is font color, this color, and display we can select as block. So we've got this nav site nav right here. We can select this tag element as hover. So we can select this color as a white color. So we've got this attribute right here, this class attribute right here. We can design this one, and we can add this content inside this right here. So we can add right here this content, because we register all the content inside this div. So we can format this one, emerging from the left this pixel, and padding space from the top, and from the left and from the right this 0 pixel and 8 pixel. So is the format of this attribute, and we can format and design this sidebar inside this. So if we refresh the page, we can see this changed as a create page, list page, and home page. So come back to it here. If we refresh the page, we can see this one. So this I've got this sidebar on the home page, create page, and list page. If we click on home page, you can see this is empty file. It's an empty page. I've got this create page. This is the create page, and this is the list page. We can create this list page. So this is the sidebar we've created inside this browser, inside this our application by Django file. So we'll talk about this create page, create the list, the to-do list, and we can create a new list and register list or form list, and we can create a home page, and we can design inside this one home page, and inside with this sidebar. Thanks for watching. See you the next